Let's talk about the Vivo Y200 Pro. It's launched on May 2024. The Vivo Y200 Pro dimensions height 6.47 inch, width 2.95 inch, thickness 7.5 mm, and the weight is 172 grams. The build of Vivo Y200 Pro is front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo Y200 Pro, it's come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 90.1% screen to body ratio. And the resolution is 1080p with 388 ppi at NST. The refresh rate is 120 Hz and it comes with 1300 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time, and the platform of Vivo Y200 Pro, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 695 5G 6nm nanometer, and the CPU is octa-core Koryo 660 Gold, and the GPU is Adreno 619. The memory of Vivo Y200 Pro is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card port in this mobile. The camera setup of Vivo Y200 Pro, it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 64 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it records 1080p 30fps video. The front selfie camera is 16 megapixel and it records 1080p 30fps video too. The battery backup of Vivo Y200 Pro, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 44 watt fast wired charging, no wireless charging, and 5 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature of Vivo Y200 Pro, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, infrared port, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, IP50 for dust and water resistant, and UFS 2.2. The price of Vivo Y200 Pro is $280.